Alright guys, today I've got a little app review here on this application right here. It's called The Cleaner, Speed Up and Clean. So it's actually got some pretty cool little graphics right here on the App Store. But I'm just going to go ahead and download it and install and get this thing running on here so I can show you how this thing works. Pretty cool little application. It just makes things really simple and easy to do, and I'll show you how this works as soon as it's done downloading. So there you go, it's installed. Go ahead and hit open. And here is the application. It has a very simple interface and pretty nice graphics as well. Basically just click on the analyze button and it's going to analyze your memory on your device. So what it does is it goes in and analyzes the memory, figures out what you can actually remove and how much free memory you can free up on your device. So here you go, it shows you guys all the applications, and if you leave them all checked, it'll free up 488 megabytes on your device. So that's pretty nice. Very simple, very easy. You just hit clean and you do that. Now, if you have things that you maybe don't want it to clean up. So for example, I would probably take any applications that you use a lot. I wouldn't have it clean up. So I would probably keep like Hangouts, so I would uncheck it. And you can watch your megabytes go down once you do that. Gmail I use a lot. ES file browser I like to use a lot because it kind of resets and like wipes out the cache for those things, and then it has to redraw them. So if there's files you use a lot, go ahead and just uncheck them, and then once you get where you want, you can still see how much free memory or memory you're going to free up. Then you just hit the clean button, and it's very simple. It goes ahead and cleans out that space and frees up all that memory, and there you go. And then it does a little boost, and you just recovered basically almost half a gig right there. And then you can hit refresh and it'll kind of rescan things and give you some more information. So there's the 3 applications that I didn't clean and they're still there. But pretty cool. Very neat that it works like that. It's very simple to do. The other thing I'll show you is it also does storage. So it has the same idea, and right here you can look at downloads and app cache, and it'll do the exact same process. So you can see I have a download right there in my downloads folder, or it'll wipe out everything in your downloads folder. I'm just going to click it and let it wipe out everything in there. And there's some cache for ES file browser, and then I'm just going to hit delete. And now you just cleaned up your storage and your RAM, memory I should say, very simply and easily, with a nice looking interface as well. So then the other thing you can do with this, which is pretty neat, is come into settings right here, and you can go in here and have this thing notify you every single day. It'll have a notification at the top explaining, hey, you might want to clean up your device to make it run smoother. For me, I think really going like every week is a nice little setup for that, and it'll remind me to go ahead and clean up my phone with the cleaner. The other thing you can do in here is you can obviously rate it and share, and you can go in here to themes, and right now we're on winter theme. I actually really like the neon theme. So it just makes a really cool interface on your device. Definitely the green and the dark neon is my favorite, as you guys can see here. Very cool. Even matches kind of my theming of my device if you like that too. Pretty much it. That is the cleaner, and really sweet app. Very easy interface and easy to use. Go check it out. Try it on your device. See if you get your device freed up, running a little bit faster for you. So hope you guys like this little review of the cleaner. And this is actually on my Moto X. And we'll catch you guys in the next review. Rootjunky out.